My dear students, here we have taken question number 7. Question is solve the following equation. These are some equations. We have taken the first question. Before solving, let us understand what is the concept behind this. Let us consider two complex numbers which are equal. Suppose a plus ib, this is one complex number, and there is another complex number c plus id. Now, as these two complex numbers are equal, we have assumed. So, what is there? A is equal to C, means real part equal to real part, and imaginary, this imaginary part equal to imaginary part. That means B is equal to D. With this concept, we have to solve this. So here we have written the equation here. So let us separate the real part and the imaginary part. So this is 3x. Let us remove the bracket. 5y minus 4y 10 plus ix minus 3iy. So this can be written as, this is real part 3x minus 4y plus 5y, and here real part is 10 plus this is x minus 3y into I. So here if we keep the bracket here, this is the real part equal to real part, and the imaginary part is equal to imaginary part. So comparing we get, what is the real part here? 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. Equation 1. This will be equal to this. That means x minus 3y will be equal to 5. This is equation 2. Now we have to solve for x and y. Now let us solve them by, suppose, elimination method. Equation 1 is multiplied by 1 only. So this is 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. Equation 2 is multiplied by 3. Okay, you know the method. So 3x minus, we are multiplying throughout by 3. 3 ja 9y, 3 5 ja 15. This is 10. So what we will do? We shall subtract. Subtracting, this will be minus, this will be plus, this will be minus. 3x will get cancelled. So this is plus 5y, and this is minus 5. So y will be minus 5 divided by 5. Y is equal to minus 1. Now putting the value of y in any of this equation, we get, okay, what do we get? 3x. This is 3x. You can see minus 4y. The value of y is minus 1. 4y is equal to 10. So this is 3x. This is plus 4 is equal to 10. So 3x will be 10 minus 4. Okay. So 3x is equal to, this is 6. So x is going to be 6 by 3. Isn't it? Then x equal to 6 by 3 is 2. Therefore, how we have solved? X equal to 2 and y is equal to how much? Minus 1. In this way, we have solved the first question. Now, let us take the second one. Now, here we have taken the second equation. Here also same concept, real part equal to real part, imaginary part equal to imaginary part. Okay. So, here let us separate them. Iy plus 3 minus 2y 1 plus 4i. Okay. So, here real part of ki hobo? X hobo. আৰু 3. So x plus 3 আৰু ইয়াত এই দুটা I কমন লব পাৰো, কিমান হ'ব? y minus 2 is equal to 1 plus 4i. এতিয়া আমি কম্পেয়াৰ কৰো, ঠিক আছে? ৰিয়েল পাৰ্ট ইকুৱেল টু ৰিয়েল পাৰ্ট, ইমাজিনাৰী পাৰ্ট ইজ ইকুৱেল টু ইমাজিনাৰী পাৰ্ট, এটো আমি ফলো কৰো ইয়াত. So comparing, we get কি হ'ব? x plus 3 is equal to 1 হ'ব, and y minus 2 will be equal to 4. So ইয়াত কিমান হ'ব? x equal to 1 minus 3. So x equal to minus 2 ওলালে, আৰু y কিমান ওলালো দেখা? 4 আছে, এটো minus 2 টো ইপিনে গলে plus 2. y equal to 6. Thus we have solved. Therefore x equal to minus 2 আৰু y equal to 6. Okay, তাৰপিছত আমি third equation টো লওঁ. Here in number 3 also we shall follow the same procedure. Real part equal to real part, imaginary part equal to imaginary part. So let us separate them. 1 into x, x, I into x, ix, 1 into y, y, I, y, 1 minus 3i. So real part x আৰু y একেলগে থাকিব x plus y আৰু imaginary part ইয়াত I common x minus y ইয়াত 1 minus 3i. So compare কৰো এতিয়া আমি all are very simple sum comparing we get okay. So x plus y real part equal to real part. Here real part kiman ase 1 ase. So this is equation 1 and aru yat kiman ase imaginary part x minus y equal to kiman ase minus 3. Okay, you see their coefficients are same, so either we can add them or we can subtract. Suppose adding hikilo ami tomaloke ilok general method kori sai x plus x twice x y will get cancelled. This is minus 2. So x kiman hobo minus 2 by 2 x equal to minus 1. tar bishot ei x or value to ami any of the two equation here put koru. Putting ipam dekha equation 1 yat x plus y equal to 1. X or value minus 1. Minus 1 plus y is equal to 1. Minus 1 plus y equal to 1. So y equal to 1 into minus a pine gole plus 1. So y is equal to 2. Therefore let us write the solution. Solution ki hobo x equal to minus 1 ulale y is equal to it is 2. Now dear students, we have taken number 4. Let us solve it. We have to find the values of x and y. At first you see this left hand side is very big. Okay, it is not in the simplified form. Let us simplify it. What we'll do? We can do in many ways. Better let us take LCM. 3 plus I into 3 minus I. Okay, tar pisot ki hobo? This divided by this a2 hobo, a2 logot a2 into a2 3 minus I. Tar pisot a2 bostu to yat ki ase dekha 1 into x plus ix minus twice I plus ako ki hobo a2 this divided by this kiman thakibo 3 plus I tar pasot a2 kiman ase 2 into y 2y minus 3 iy plus ki ase I ase is equal to a2 to ultimately I ulabo 0 plus I into 1 0 a2 ki I into 1 I ulaise. So to me simplify koru uporot. Okay, let us multiply 3 into x 3x plus 3 di gote to koru first tar bishot 3ix minus 6i tar bishot I di minus ix minus plus minus I square x tar bishot ei bostu to minus I into minus 2i. So plus 2i square iman khini hol. tar pasot ইয়াত আহো এটা 3 দি গোটেই টু কৰিম 3 2 যা 6y minus 3 3 যা 9iy তাৰ পিছত 3i ইমান খিনি হল ওকে তাৰ পিছত I লগত কৰিম multiplied by I. So কিমান হ'ব 2iy plus minus 3i square y tar pasat plus I into plus I square. Okay, yat kiman hobo a plus b into a minus b a square minus b square is equal to kiman only I. Got it? So ete ami simplify koru kiman simplify koribo paru let us see. Okay, dekhai yat. Now here we shall find the like terms together. We shall write the like terms together. X containing term etai ase 3x ix thoka 1 2 aru epine nohoy kale y ase to etu 3ix aru minus ix plus 2ix whole tar bishot I thoka only I 6i whole 6i minus 6i a2 ase. Okay, to ei duta jodi ami add koru kiman hobo minus 3i. Okay, tar pisot dekha I square x ইয়াত তো ইপিনে নহব তো এটু কিমান হৈ যাব plus x. Okay, because minus I square is minus 1. The minus and minus etu plus হৈ গ'ল তাৰ পিছত এটু 2i square আছে আৰু এটা I square তো এটু হৈ গ'ল 3i square okay তাৰ পিছত ইয়াত দেখা এটু 6y y টার্ম তো আর কন্টিনিউইং টার্ম নাই তাৰ পিছত এটু দেখা minus 9iy plus 2iy minus 7iy तार पाছত এইবিলাক সব কাউন্ট কৰিলো এটো কিমান হৈ যাব minus 3i square তো plus 3y এটো 9 হ'ব আৰু I square minus 1 so plus 1 is equal to I okay ইয়াত আমি চাও কি আকৌ সিম্পলিফাই কৰিব পাৰো ইয়াত দেখা 3x আৰু ax 3x আৰু x কিমান হ'ব 4x আৰু ix থকা নাই plus 2ix minus 3i এটো কন্টিনিউ কৰি আমি কাউন্ট কৰিলো ইয়াত এটো হৈ যাব minus 3 because I square is minus 1 আৰু plus 3 আছে এটো 6 okay this is 6y আৰু 3y এটো হৈ যাব 9y minus 7iy so we are very close 9 plus 1 10 is equal to I এতে ক্রস মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰি দিম এতে আমি ইয়াত কি কৰো আমি রিয়েল পার্ট আর ইমাজিনারি পার্ট সেপারেট করো ঠিক আছে দেখা তো ইয়াত রিয়েল পার্ট কি আছে 4x আৰু a minus 3 আৰু আনলাইন কৰিছো 4x minus 3 9y plus 9y আৰু ইমাজিনারি পার্টত কি আছে 2ix minus 3i minus 7iy is equal to 10i correct তো এতিয়া দেখা বস্তুটো কি হৈছে জাস্ট সেপারেট কৰি দেখাইছো 4x minus 3 plus 9y ইয়াত I কমন লৈছো twice x minus 3 minus 7y is equal to এটো এনেকা এক্সপ্রেস কৰিব পাৰো 0 plus 10i এটো রিয়েল পার্ট ইমাজিনারি পার্ট তো যদি আমি কম্পেয়ার কৰো রিয়েল পার্টৰ ভ্যালু কিমান হ'ব 0 and imaginary part to value 10 is it okay now here we have written the last line here so that we can continue the sum so now let us start comparing what will compare we shall compare the real part into equal to real part imaginary part equal to imaginary part we get so we shall write as 4x minus 3 plus 9y is equal to real part is 0 so this is 4x plus 9y is equal to 3 so this is equation 1 and what is the imaginary part kiman ase twice x minus 3 minus 7y tar pisot ei pini ki ase 10 ase eto olop simplify koilo twice x minus 7y 10 plus 3 kiman hobo twice x minus 7y is equal to 13 this is equation 2 now we have to simplify this or solve this rather we should say that we have to solve so a2 or a2 coefficient same karo let us solve by elimination method equation 1 is multiplied by 1 so it will remain same 4x plus 9y is equal to 3 equation 2 is throughout multiplied by 2 2 to ja 4x minus 7 to ja 14y 13 to ja 26 okay we have multiplied 2 here to make the same coefficient of x what we shall do here we will subtracting if we subtract sign get interchanged 4x cancel this is 14 plus 9 23y eto kiman hobo minus 23 so y is obviously minus 23 divided by 23 y is equal to minus 1 now let us put the value of y in any of these two equations let us write that let us put the value of y here in equation 1 4x plus 9 into y is minus 1 is equal to how much it is 3 you can see this is 3 so this is 4x minus 9 is equal to 3 so 4x equal to 3 plus 9 4x is equal to how much? 12. So x equal to 12 by 4, x equal to 3. Thus the solution is, therefore x is equal to 3, y is equal to -1. Is it okay? Now only one is left, number 5. Now we are here to solve this fifth one. Let us take the LCM. I, this is I square plus 2, and here let us simplify 1 minus I hobo, yet 1 plus I. So to simplify koribole, in denominator by what will multiply? By its conjugate. What is the conjugate of it? 1 minus I. So this is also 1 minus I. Okay, so it is x plus iy. So this is -1 plus 2. I square is -1 plus 2. This is I. So it took given whole. উপৰত হ'ব 1 minus I whole square. Here 1 square minus I square, because it is in the form a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. X plus iy. We are not disturbing the right hand side. So this is 1 by I bracket. Let us expand it. Okay, if we expand, what will get? A square minus twice ab plus b square. 1 plus 1, because I square is -1. This part is explained again and again. So this is 1 by I. Here ki hobo dekha. 1 minus 2i. I square is -1. This is 2. X plus iy. This is very simple sum. You can see now. 1 by I into this 1 will get cancelled. Minus 2i by 2 is equal to x plus iy. If we simplify further, 2 will get cancelled, I will get cancelled. So what is there? Only -1, x plus iy. Yet the imaginary part nahi thake kele I cancel ho jabo. Some of you may be confused, so let us write one more line here. -1 plus I into 0. As you can see that there is no imaginary part, so we have written I into 0. This is equal to x plus iy. Now let us compare. Comparing, we get x equal to -1 and y equal to kiman ulale 0 ulale. Thus we have solved question number 7. Okay dear students, now we have taken question number 8. Here square root of a plus ib equal to x plus iy is given. Then show that square root of a minus ib equal to x minus iy. Let us see. Let us start from what is given here. Here what is given? A plus ib equal to square root of a plus ib equal to x plus iy. We want to find the value of a and b. For this, what we have to do? We have to find, or we have to make square on both the sides. So if we make square on the both sides, what we will get? A plus ib, and here x plus iy whole square. Okay, so a plus ib is equal to, if we expand, it is a square plus twice ab plus b square. Is it okay? I think you understood up to this much. So a plus ib x square, this is twice I xy, plus this is I square y square. Correct? A plus ib x square plus twice I xy. I square is how much? -1. So this is minus y square. So now let us make the real part together and the imaginary part together. A plus ib. So the here real parts are x square minus y square, and the imaginary parts I into this I we have written here, and this 2xy. So comparing, what we get? Comparing, we get a is equal to, this is the real part equal to this real part, x square minus y square, and the imaginary part b equal to 2xy. Is it okay? Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that. So here let us take left hand side. Square root of a minus ib. What is a? X square minus y square. X square minus y square minus I. What is b? 2xy. 2xy. Now let us just arrange. Etu nisanai korim. Okay? Iar pora enoka paisilu. Okay? Yet expand ফাৰ্ষ্টত এইটো এনেকুৱা আছিল তাৰ পিছত এক্সপান্ড কৰিলো আমি উল্টাকে যাওঁ এতিয়া দেখা কেনেকৈ হ'ব x square minus twice this one we have written twice I xy minus y square আছে অলপ মই elaborately কৰিছো so that everybody can understand x square minus twice x তাৰ পিছত এটুক iy লিখিব পাৰো okay same thing plus এটুক আমি যদি iy whole square লিখো হ'ব না because I square is minus 1 এটো তো minus y square হৈ গল তেতিয়া হলে তো কিমান হ'ব x this is of the form a square minus twice ab plus b square so a minus b whole square so to square root korile kiman hobo x minus iy this is the right hand side thus we have proved it okay now we have taken question number 9 the question is very simple let us read it if the conjugate of this so what is the conjugate of this is twice a minus ib tar it ib is plus ib is a minus ib hobo is kiman a plus 4 minus I of a plus twice b iman khini dise then find the values of a and b very simple sum so just what we'll do we'll comparing we get okay real part equal to real part twice a is equal to a plus 4 and imaginary part equal to imaginary dutate minus ase so iman problem no hobo b is equal to a plus twice b so here twice a to a pinano minus a equal to 4 so we have got a equal to 4 arrow okay tar pisot b minus twice b is equal to a tar mane etu hoy gol minus b is equal to a it means b equal to minus a arrow ami already obtain koilu je a equal to 4 so b is minus 4 so the answer is a is equal to 4 b is equal to minus 4 isn't it very simple now dear students in question number 10 we have to find the additive and the multiplicative inverse ami jano what is additive inverse suppose 5 or additive inverse ki man minus 5 minus 6 or additive inverse ki plus 6 okay aru multiplicative inverse mane ami reciprocal to bhabu okay so let us do the number 1 or here additive inverse kiman hobo additive inverse etu jiman ase tar ami -2 loilo minus of this -4 plus I kiman hoy gol 4 minus I ek line hoy gol okay tar pisot ki ulabo lage multiplicative inverse ki likhim the reciprocal to -4 plus I to ami jano etu kenoka simplify koribo lage -4 plus I yat ki din to korim -4 minus I -4 minus I okay so e duta into korile -4 minus I ulale this is of the form a plus b into a minus b so kenoka hobo a square minus b square so to -4 minus I this is 16 minus I square so -4 minus I this is 16 and y square minus 1 so plus 1 ho jabo -4 minus I this is 17 so this is the multiplicative inverse we can also separate also then we have taken number 2 let us simplify this because this is expressed as a product so what is this actually let us know c minus 2i okay 2 di multiply karu 2 3 is 6 minus 2 2 is 4i plus I di karu 3i minus I into 2i 2i square so this is 6 aru ei duta simplify korile add korile kiman hobo minus I etu kiman hoy jabo plus 2 hoy jabo to kiman hol 8 minus I ulale okay ki ulabo lage additive inverse additive inverse kiman hobo tar minus of 8 minus I that is -8 plus I tar pisot ki ulabo lage multiplicative inverse multiplicative inverse ami ki lo reciprocal so 1/8 minus I 8 minus I yat ki ho ki di into korim ako 8 plus I because we take the conjugate right 8 plus I So etu kiman hobo 1 into 8 plus I 8 plus I. A minus b into a plus b kiman hobo a square minus b square. Yat olob ami simplify olob baki ase. This is 8 plus I. 8 square is 64. I square is minus 1, so to minus ase, so plus 1. 8 plus I, this is 65. So in this way we have found the multiplicative inverse. Alright students, then dear student, in question number 11, if Z1 and Z2 be any two complex number, then can we write that these are the two expressions, whether we can write or not? Let us see. Here dear students, one thing is not given, what is the expression for Z1 and this another complex number Z2. So we have to assume that. So let us consider, let Z1 be a plus ib and Z2 be suppose c plus id. Okay, so at first what we do, let us multiply what is Z1 into Z2, then we can compare their real part and the imaginary. Here re for real part, I am for imaginary part. I hope you understood this. So let us find Z1 into Z2, a plus ib into this is c plus id. AC plus a, with a we are multiplying a into c, then I into ad, then with ib we have to multiply ibc plus ib into id I square bd. So this is ac iad ibc, I square is minus 1, so this is minus bd. Let us separate them, the real part and the imaginary part, right? So AC minus BD plus I, we are taking I common, AD plus BC. Okay, now here what is the real part of Z1 Z2 is equal to, what is this, AC minus BD. Here this is the product of two complex number. The real part is this, imaginary part is this. Now here what do we have to see, we have to check, can we write this? Now this a, what is a is the real part of Z1, so we can write real part of Z1, that is a, only a. And what is c here, what is c? C is the real part of Z2, real part of Z2 minus b. What is b? The imaginary part of Z1, right? Imaginary part of Z1. What is d? D is again the imaginary part of Z2, imaginary part of Z2. So thus easily we can write this expression. Then number b, this is actually number a, then number b. Let us write what is the imaginary part of Z1 and into Z2. What is the imaginary part of this Z1 Z2? This is AD plus BC. Now what is A here? Again A is the real part of Z1. What is D? What is D here? The imaginary part. Imaginary part of what? Z2. Imaginary part of Z2 plus this B. What is B? Imaginary part of Z1. You see, just it is matching just like a magic. C. What is C? C is the real part of Z2. Thus we can easily write these two statement. Is it okay? Then in question number 12.1, if p plus iq equal to this, then show that alpha q equal to 1 plus p. So let us take the help of this. P plus iq equal to alpha plus I, alpha minus I. Let us try to simplify this. Alpha plus I, alpha minus I. So in this denominator, by what will multiply it with its conjugate, alpha plus I. So it is alpha plus I. So it becomes alpha in the numerator, alpha plus I whole square. This is a square minus b square. I hope you understood this. Is it okay, students? Okay, so let us expand it. A plus b whole square, a square plus twice a b plus b square, alpha square, and I square is minus 1. So minus of that minus 1 is plus 1. So this is alpha square plus twice I alpha minus I square is minus 1, alpha square plus 1. So let us try to separate it little bit. Alpha square minus 1 plus twice I alpha square plus 1. Now we try to write in this form a plus ib, because this is in the form again a plus ip. So here therefore what is p plus iq? This one let us write alpha square minus 1 divided by alpha square plus 1. Okay, plus I into what is there in the numerator twice alpha, and here alpha square plus 1. Okay, these divided by this. Again some of you may be confused. Suppose 3 plus 4 divided by 8 is given. We can easily write 3 by 8 plus 4 by 8. Here also we have expressed in this way, this divided by this plus this divided by this. Is it okay? Now we'll write comparing the real part equal to real part, that is p equal to, we get this one, alpha square minus 1 divided by alpha square plus 1, alpha square plus 1. Then what is q? What is q? Q is twice alpha divided by alpha square plus 1. Okay, now what is alpha q? Let us take the right hand side, it will be better I think. Right hand side, what is 1 plus p? 1. What is p? P is this one, alpha square minus 1 divided by alpha square plus 1. How will simplify? We'll take the LCM. What is the LCM of these two? Here it is 1, alpha square plus 1. So 1 into alpha square plus 1 is the same. Then alpha square minus 1, 1 will get cancelled. So here what we are getting? Twice alpha square divided by alpha square plus 1. Can we match with the right hand side? What is right hand in the left hand side? It is alpha into q. So what is q? Just we can arrange little bit. Alpha into, this is 2 alpha square. So 2 alpha square can be expressed as alpha into 2 alpha, isn't it? Denominator remains same. So this is alpha. What is this? This is nothing but q. So this is left hand side. We have proved. Okay. Now our last question of this exercise is x plus iy equal to a plus ib whole square. Then find the value of x square plus y square. Let us find from here. Let us take the help. What is given? A plus ib. Okay. So this is x plus iy. Sorry, I have not given here square. Let us expand it. A plus b whole square. So this is a square plus twice a b plus b square. Okay. So x plus iy, a square plus twice iab plus this is I square b square. Now dear student, what is I square? X plus iy, a square plus twice iab. Now I square is minus 1, so that minus 1 into this is minus b square. X plus iy. Let us separate. Like this real part we have written together, I into this twice AB. Is it okay? These two are real part. These two terms are without I. We have written together. This term contain I. So I into twice AB. Okay. So comparing, what do we get? X equal to a square minus b square. And what is y? Twice AB. Now what we have to find? The value of x square plus y square. Therefore x square plus y square, a square minus b square, x equal to a square minus b square. Its square is there, so we have written square. Then y square twice ab square. Hold on, it is very simple, son. Do not think this is hard. Plus 4 a square b square. Now you see, there is a formula like this. a plus b whole square. Formula connecting a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a minus b whole square, then plus 4ab. Again, a minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So this is you consider a minus b whole square plus 4ab. So this is a plus b whole square. Is it okay? Thus we have finished the exercise 2.2. Alright, okay dear students, thank you.